Hello and welcome. Today, we're showcasing the Chikamasa B-500SRF curved scissors, featuring a special fluorine coating that effectively repels sap, grease, dirt, and adhesives for easy cleaning. These scissors are crafted from the highest quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness for precise cuts every time. The true curved blades offer excellent control and smooth cutting, perfect for detailed work or gardening tasks. Designed and made in Japan, these scissors combine traditional craftsmanship with modern technology for superior performance. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, these scissors will enhance your cutting experience with their ergonomic design and reliable build. Experience the difference that quality materials and thoughtful design can make in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new cutting tool. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.